Hello, this is Miss Satyaveda Joseph from BLD's SB Arts and KCP Science College, Botany Department. Today I am going to explain about measurement of length and breadth of the cell by micrometry method. Aim of the experiment is to measure length and breadth of the plant cell by micrometry method. The requirements are compound microscope and oculometer, stage micrometer, and peel, safranin, glycerin, slide and cover slip. Principle of the experiment is the plant cell is very small, so it cannot be measured by micrometers. So we are using two types of micrometers, that is stage micrometer and ocular meter. The ocular meter is a circular disc which has some measurements on it, and those measurements will be not standard, but it has lines, 10 divisions, and in that divisions each division consists of 10 divisions, such that there are 100 divisions on the ocular meter. And this ocular meter is calibrated with the stage micrometer, and stage micrometer has 10. Stage micrometer also has 10 divisions, but this is a standard measurement which is having 1 mm measurement on it, and 1 mm measurement is divided into 100 lines, and each 10 lines has about 100 micrometer measurement. At one division between first line and the second line, there is about 10 micrometer measurement, and from that first line to 10th line there is 100 micrometer length, and every 10th line is longer. And this is ocular meter, where it is divided into 100 divisions like this, and every 10th line is long, and this is not standard measurement. Whereas stage micrometer is about 1 mm in length, and that 1 mm length is divided into 100 lines like this, and this first line to second line there is about 10 micrometer difference, and this long line to this long line there is 100 micrometer. So from here to this it is 1000 micrometer, where 1000 micrometer is equal to 1 millimeter. This oculometer is called oculometer because we are putting that in a ocular lens or in the eyepiece. So the lid of the eyepiece is removed, and the oculometer is kept inside this eyepiece and observed under the microscope. The oculometer, after keeping in the eyepiece, when we observe, we can see the divisions and the numbers on it. 0 to 100 numbers are written on the ocular meter. The stage micrometer is kept on the stage, so it is called as stage micrometer, which is having 1 mm length, 1 mm measurement length on it. And now when we observe in the microscope, we observe long lines where no numbers are written on it, and this is a standard measurement. Now we are going to calibrate. Now we are calibrating this microscope by coinciding these two lines, the lines of stage micrometer and lines of oculometer. Both should be coincide, and reading should be taken and calibrated. We can observe that the lines are coincided. The number of lines coincided. Either we can consider lines of stage micrometer or oculometer. If we consider lines of stage micrometer, the first line is coincided at 4th line of the oculometer. From here, if we consider till the next coincided line, that is from the first line to tenth line of the stage micrometer. We should count the lines between these two lines. Lines of oculometer should be counted from the first line to 10th line is coincided, that is 10th line of the stage micrometer is coincided. So the lines on the oculometer are about 9. The number of lines coincided with the oculometer and stage micrometer are counted and noted down in the tabular column, and this tabular column is for oculometer calibration. Tabular column has serial number, magnification of eyepiece, magnification of objective lens, number of divisions on stage micrometer, number of divisions on ocular micrometer, and x by y into z and mean. So here first one, the magnification of eyepiece, that is it is 10x. 10x is of eyepiece magnification, and magnification of objective lens, that is objective lens is 10x, and the number of stage divisions on stage micrometer, whatever we have counted we have to write here, that is stage micrometer lines are about 11 and divisions on oculometer are 9. How many are coincided? The first the line of coincidence, first line and till the last line, that is first coincided line and last coincided line. And next, x by y, that is x is nothing but divisions on SM and y is divisions on OM, that is oculometer, and into z is nothing but the two division, the distance between these two lines, that is first line and second line, or between these two lines, that is 10. So x by y into 10, it is calculated, and after these three readings it is divided by 3 and we get the mean. After calibrating we get readings in this sense, that is 9 divisions on ocular meter that merges or coincides with 11 lines of stage micrometer. We got readings like this and we got mean 12.69. Now this is a standard measurement of this microscope. And next we have to take another observation table, that is to measure length and breadth of plant cell, where serial number length, where we are taking 5 readings of the length and divided by 5 we get mean, and 5 measurements of breadth and divided by 5 we get the mean. The length and breadth of the same cell is taken. Now to take the plant cell I am using leaf, or else we can take onion bulb, peel of onion bulb or peel of this leaf. Now the slide is prepared with this specimen, and this specimen is stained with saffronin, and this, now the stage micrometer is removed and the slide which is having cells is kept on the stage, and ocular meter should not be removed. If we take onion peel, the cells will be elongated, so it is easy to measure the cells there. But here in this, as it is a leaf specimen, so the cells are bit spherical. Now the lines from one end to the next end, the lines are counted. For the length, the lines are counted, and the same cell's breadth is counted. Now the cell which is having 29 to 34. The same cells breadth is taken, that is by rotating the eyepiece in this way, and the readings are taken. The 5 readings are taken. So after taking reading, we get readings in this way. If these are spherical cells, so we get length 5 and breadth 4. Whereas if we take onion peel, the plant cell is elongated, so we get length more than breadth. So here we get only so much difference, that is 5, 7, 9, 4, 6, and to take mean of the length, these are added and divided by 5 as we take 5 readings. Then we get the mean 6.2, and the breadth also in the same way, that is we add these all the breadth measurements and divided by 5, we get 6. So now we have to calculate average length of the plant cell. To calculate average length of the plant cell, we have formula, that is mean length into mean length of one division of okilometer. Mean length of one division of okilometer is before whatever we took for the calibration of the microscope, that is 12.69. Now mean length is 6.2. So 6.2 is multiplied by 12.69, and we get the 78.67 micrometer. This is average length of the plant cell. So micrometer will be the unit. And average breadth of the plant cell also has a formula, that is mean breadth into mean length of one division of okilometer. This mean breadth is 6 and 12.69. That we get as 76.14 micrometer. This is all about the experiment. Thank you.